Dahlias are big and showy, with lots of green foliage, long stems, and beautiful flowers. But they only bloom in the late summer and in the fall up until we get frost. So, when we decided to put in this new flower bed last year, we knew we needed companion plants for the dahlias. We wanted to build up flowering interest throughout the entire growing season. I'm Dan from Frog Pond Gardening, and I love dahlias. I've been growing dahlias for more than a decade, and this was probably one of the best years I've had growing them. But without other plants in this flower bed, it would otherwise look pretty sparse, especially in the spring. So, one of the ways that we decided to incorporate more flowering into this bed was to plant bulbs for the spring. Daffodils, in particular, work really well for us because the deer don't bother them, but other spring flowering bulbs like squills, snowdrops, and muscari can bring early springtime color to your garden, and they can provide an early source of food for bees and other insects. If you've got a bigger space and or maybe you ordered too many bulbs, using a drill auger can make the job go a lot faster. We planted a couple hundred bulbs in a fraction of the time it would normally take us to plant by hand. I like to plant daffodils in small, randomly spaced clumps to create a somewhat more naturalized look. Plus, it gives me the space to plant other things around the daffodils so that I can add other flowering interest like peonies, irises, echinacea, and of course, dahlias. So that was just a quick look at how we're building up a colorful garden bed that we can enjoy all season long. And of course, fall is the time to plant spring flowering bulbs. Let me know what are some of your favorite dahlia companion plants. Do you plant spring bulbs too? If not, I hope I've given you at least a little bit of inspiration. Until next time, thanks for watching and happy gardening.